Happy noon, everyone. First of all, thank you for this opportunity and thanks us for making us feel what we have been not felt so far. Or maybe we would have felt it some little here and there. Yeah, today it was like very emotional. Yeah. I mean, really, you just made us like come out all the emotions in us. Some things we will not be able to tell it in the words. Maybe happiness or something which we would have done in the past. Like you said, okay, the things what we couldn't tell it to our parents. When you asked us to share our thing, that only made me burst out. Yeah, but it was very impactful session. As I said, few things cannot be expressed in words. These actions will really make us also understand a lot more about our kids, and then kids also understand about their parents, their sacrifice, and a lot more. Thank you, sir. Thank you.